Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the ringtone and alerts sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings screen, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now in here, go to the ringtone and alerts section. Then drag on the sound slider bar to the right to increase the sound, or to the left to decrease the sound. If you drag it all the way to the left, then your sound will totally be muted. And you can also use the volume up key to change the volume as well. So here you need to turn on change width buttons for this to work. If the change width button is turned off, then when you're pressing on the volume key, it will apply to media volume instead of your phone ringtone and alerts volume. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.